Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Tinder not responding. To know how to fix or how to solve Tinder not responding, you should just go to settings. Here in this page we click apps, default apps, app settings. Then you will enter to the window of Tinder. When you'll find this page of app and for you, we click on for stop and you click OK. Here we go to click storage. After that we click clear cache, and in the end you can turn off your Wi-Fi. You will wait 3 seconds and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. If it's not working, you can go to Play Store. You will find the Tinder here. If you will find in this blue sign update, you can update your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.